Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a cheesecake, which is really easy. I already have a store-bought graham cracker crust pie. Don't throw this away. Some people don't know, but this is used to store. So when you get it, sometimes people try to discard it, but just keep it there. All right, so I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just going to throw in a blender. Then I have evaporated milk, and this is about a half a jar. It's about 5 to 6 ounces. You don't need a big one, you just need the smaller jars. And I have 14 ounces of sweet condensed milk. We're gonna do about 4 to 5 drops of lime. If you don't have it, you can leave it out. And I'm going to add another pinch of condensed milk. We like it sweet, so I'm adding a little more, but with the 14 ounces, you're good. And now you're just going to put it to blend all together. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour our mixture after it's been blended really well. It will expand a little and you will have some left over. You can always stick it in another one. So just try to fill it as much as possible. There we go, that's it.
Our oven's been preheating at 350 and we're going to put it in there for about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, our cheesecake is done now. It has a nice golden top. We're going to take it out, let it cool down, and then you want to pop it in the fridge. You can top it with some strawberries, with some whipped cream, or just eat it just like this.